Hello, good day everyone. This video tutorial is to learn how to customize and configure settings in WordPress, and this is part of the full video tutorial that I posted last time about how to create a WordPress website and earn profit with affiliate marketing. If you want to see the full video tutorials of creating websites using WordPress and earn $500 or more, you must watch this, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated to all videos that I make about online businesses and online jobs. Check down on my description box, because I put the link of my full video tutorials and the separated content. So stay tuned. And now we will learn how to customize or how to configure the settings on your WordPress. So once you install WordPress on your website on your hosting portal for the very first time, you have to configure some certain settings for the very first time. And after that you don't have to worry for that. So for that you have to go to Settings option. And we need to configure mainly general writing, reading, discussion, media and relevant links. That's it, nothing else. So if we click on General option, we will get this page. And from here also, we can select the subtitle, then tagline, and this website URL. So as of now I have installed this website just for tutorial purpose in one of my website under a different folder called US Demo. So in your case, it will reflect your website name. And here you can give you master email address. So mastering an address in the sense the main email address, which is the user locking up admin. This is the admin panel. Who is the admin? That user email address will be here. And if your website is a membership or if your website is a blog, then you can select this option as anyone can register. All of you can take it and just make sure what you have the default role of that user who are joining what we are registering on your website. And from here, you can select this little set language, and you need to select a time zone, and you can select the date format, time format, and when the week starts as for your calendar, and you can leave this options as a default, and just because of cache level and all it doesn't even matter that much. And if you want to show you coming soon page, suppose you are working on that particular website and you're going to want your visitors to see how much progress has been done and what little things you have done in the website, simply enable this option and it will reflect a default coming soon page on the hosting on the domain, whatever you have given over here. And this is all about general settings. If we go to the writing settings in the sense of how if you are posting an article, then how this functionality will work. So as of now, it is always recommended whenever you are posting new article just to make sure you are creating a category, or if the category is created, just make sure you were writing the article on the correct category orders. It will go to the default category as in categorized right, and you can select the default post format, and this is for example, you will have two kinds of formats. For example, you are posting articles as text and images. Also, you are posting articles as a video article. So in that case, you can do two kinds of formats for posting articles like text and images. You can select one format. And for video articles, you can select different kind of format. So this is all about articles, like how you are posting for this purpose. So initially, you can keep it standard, it's nothing to worry for that. And also, if you want to post any article via mail, you can configure that. You just need to give your mail server login name, password, and default category by which you want to upload. If you are trying to post any article on your blog post or on your website, you can customize that story requirement, but according to me, I would recommend just log into the WordPress admin panel, then we'll just pull that. Because instead of posting via email, and this is all about writing, and if you go to a reading in the sense how your website will look like to visitors, right? So, Suppose you have as of now, if you are creating a blog, then just select this option so that your latest articles will come to homepage. This is all about homepage settings. So for bloggers, those people who are creating, if you are creating this website as a blog, or if you are creating this website, or posting regularly like news website, and then you can select this or this option, or else if you are creating this website for your personal business, use something like a static page, you want to reflect a static page, then just select this option and choose the page which you want to reflect as homepage. So as of now we have selected home as a homepage, So Kate, we can go with that. And this is for most pages post players in the sense. Suppose in your website, you have a different homepage and different other previously home about services contact. And you also have integrated one blog. So this blog is as called as a post page. And in this post weight, you have to select the template, you have to select the page, which will come under the blog post. So you can select as it is. And you can select the number of most, how many posts you can show on the particular page, how many posts, right, so it can select up to 10 at 1020, whatever, but my recommendation would be nearly around 8 to 10. And how many in this section is for how many, most of the most you want to reflect on that particular page. So according to me, 5 to 7 posts or 8 to 10 posts you can go, there is no issues. And for each article how many fields, like if you want to show full article or if you want to show the summary, then you can select but summary. If you select on summary, then it will be good just because a page will not be so much longer and you can all your articles, whatever articles you have given, if you have to then 10 number of articles, then if you have to then full text, then it will become a long lengthy piece. It's better to click on summary on the summary of the article to reflect, and all the post will come in secret proper sequence. And this is part 4, certainly visibility. So I strongly recommend do not click on this if you are with your website is under construction or you're developing or we're working on this particular website. They can only click on this or else your website will not ever get ranked in Google, Yahoo, and Bing, all the search engines. So your website, you should not get that. If you were creating a website at the time you can create, but highly recommend just do not click on this, nothing to worry, and just simply click on save changes. Okay, and after the discussion setting in the sense like once any of the visitors are interacting with your website or your content, then how the settings will go. So as of now the default article settings, and if you have a new EP, want anyone who has commented on your post, if you want anyone has replied on your post or they have shared, you will post in different social medias like Facebook, Twitter, Google+, then you will get notification. You can customize everything from here itself. So this is all about discussion. Nick, how you interacting with your peoples, with your visitors, you can just simply go through and according to that you can select whatever information you want to provide. You want to customize a study requirement, and this is for media. So media settings in the sense, suppose any of the thing you want to be what you want to correct, for example, come live thumbnail is a thing which reflects at the time of when posting in the image. So you can select the width and height of the thumbnail, the minimum maximum size, and you can also customize that uploading files. For example, here you have given a head, they have given original, organize my uploads into month and year basis. So if you do not want, if you want the files, whatever you are uploading, you should be asked for your criteria. You can send it up to them. So, well, this is the main thing, what all things we need to take care in settings part. Also, if you take in the pyramid links, Superman links, in essence how the links will generate. Once you post on the particular website, once you post on your website, it can be an article or it can be a page. So for example, if by default it is clean, so I would recommend just to go with this only simple thing. Also, you can simply click on posting. So how it will look: something website, a website domain me plus that posting. For example, if you have created something like how to create a website, so in that case, your website, your domain me / house how to create a website, this will come, the link will come in that manner, unless you can keep it as a plan itself for the time being. And if you want to create some categories, if you want to create some extra tags, you can select, there is no issues with that, and just click on settings. So when that's all about to website settings, and remaining thing is not that much important, privacy or no, this is not too much important. Although if you want to can just go through as a requirement, you can customize. But these are all the things which is mainly important, apartment that nothing is important according to me. And that's all for today. Next video is to learn how to install plugins in WordPress, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated in my next video tutorials.